Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from DD Tech and this is the gaming review, battery drain test and the heat test of the Oppo F7. So guys, this is the phone and it sports a MediaTek Helio P60 processor with Mali G720 MP3 GPU. It is built using the 12nm manufacturing process, so it's very power efficient and it shouldn't get all that hot. For the gaming review, I'll be playing these 6 games and once I finish a game, I'll be checking the temperature. Now once I finish playing all the games, we can check the battery percentage and see how much the battery drained. And after that, I'll do the heat test where I take pictures continuously for 5 minutes and then check the temperature. In all my testing, that's one thing that heats up the phone a lot. Now before we get started, phone currently has 82% of battery left and I'm going to start the timer just before I start playing the games, and the current room temperature is 34 degrees. I'll start the gaming review with Asphalt 8. By the way guys, this game has opened in the full screen mode. Even the notch has been covered, as you can see. And if we swipe from the left side, we get some additional options, like the option to disable heads-up notification, take a screenshot, and even record video. So guys, that was the end of our first race. Now let's check the temperature. Room temperature is 34 degrees and on the front it is reached 42 degrees, 43. At the bottom it is 40 degrees. On the back it is 45 degrees, that's definitely hot. And at the bottom it is 39 degrees. Now coming to the gaming experience, it was pretty good. There was no lag whatsoever, visuals were awesome and the display felt more immersive. You'll definitely get one of the best gaming experience on this phone. Next I'll play Modern Combat 5. By the way, I've been playing the games for 6 minutes right now.
Extraction point B. Over. You heard him. Come on. Kill him. Take him out. That's all right.
So guys, that was the end of our first mission on Modern Combat 5. As you have seen, there was no lag and the entire gaming experience was pretty good. Once again, display felt very immersive. By the way guys, this phone has a speaker on the left side, unlike most phones that come with a speaker on the right side. So while playing games, it gets easily muffled. So you have to readjust your hand and just get used to the new speaker setup. Except that, there's no other issue. Now let's check the temperature. Room temperature is currently 34 degrees. On the front, phone has a maximum temperature of 42 degrees. At the bottom it is 39, 40. And on the back, it is 42 degrees. So pretty cool. No major heating issues. Now I've been playing game for 11 minutes. Next I'll play Shadow Fight 3. So guys, I have lost. Now let's check the temperature. On the front, I've just seen 44 degrees, 45 degrees, that's near the front facing camera. At the bottom it is 40 degrees, and on the back it is 45 degrees. On the back it is 46 degrees. Now at the bottom it is 41 degrees, and that's the maximum temperature. Next I'll play Warhammer. So guys, that was the end of the game, at least one mission. Now temperature on the front is 44 degrees, and on the back it is 45 degrees. So that's the maximum temperature. At the bottom it is 41 degrees, and on the back it is 41 degrees. So gameplay was pretty smooth, visuals were great, no issues. By the way, the same thing applies for the Shadow Fight 3. I just forgot to mention that. Now let's play Shadowgun Legends. By the way guys, currently it has been 20 minutes since I've been playing the game, and room temperature is still 34 degrees.
Into the world of pain.
So guys, that is it for the gameplay of Shadowgun Legends, and let's quickly check the temperature once again. So the maximum temperature on the front reached 47 degrees, that's huge, and on the back it is 47 degrees as well. So that's the maximum temperature. As you have seen, the gameplay was lagging a lot. It is kinda playable, but it's still lagging, but the visuals were pretty good. Now the final game is PUBG Mobile. So guys, that was the best I could play. I might have played it horribly. Anyway, on the front maximum temperature was 45 degrees, 44, 45 degrees. And on the back it is 47 degrees. That's the maximum temperature. At the bottom it is 41 degrees, and on the back it is 41 degrees. So gameplay was pretty smooth. As I've set visuals to medium, and entire gameplay was pretty smooth, and the world itself was very well created. So that was the gaming review. Maximum temperature I've seen was 47 degrees, except for the Shadowgun Legends. All the games played very smoothly, so there's no issue with the gameplay. You can do a lot of gaming on this phone. Phone feels warm, but it is still playable, manageable, and it is not affecting the gaming performance. Unless you play heavy titles like Shadowgun Legends, it shouldn't be a problem. I have been playing games continuously for 50 minutes now, and current battery percentage is 68%. So that's 14% of battery life for 50 minutes of gameplay, which I would say is pretty good. So guys, now for the final round, that's the heat test, where I take pictures continuously for 5 minutes and then see the temperature. Now I'm really trying to push the limits. There's no fan or AC in the room, and there are two big lights on either side, and currently the phone's temperature is 43 degrees on the front, and on the back it's 43 as well. So I'm really trying to push the limits. You might not see the same exact temperature, so this is like the worst case scenario. Now I'm gonna start the timer and start taking pictures. So guys, that was the end of 5 minutes. Now let's check the temperature on the front. So on the front it is 49 degrees, that's the maximum temperature. And on the back it is 49 degrees as well. So guys, in the intensive camera test, phone reached a maximum of 49 degrees on the front and back. Now that's definitely hot, but still it didn't affect the camera performance, and considering other phones like the Honor 9 Lite or the Honor 7X, 49 degrees is still pretty good. So guys, that was the gaming review, heat test and battery drain test of the Oppo F7. If you are planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video on this phone or any other phone out there, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech signing off. Have a nice day.